Welcome back to the Hostek channel. My name is Deja, your favorite Hostek host, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zip and unzip files in your WCP control panel. But as always, first, if you enjoy these tutorials, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And to learn more about Hostek and how we can help you on your web hosting journey, make sure you click the link in the description box below. Once you've logged into your WCP control panel, under Files, click File Manager, and then you're brought to your different directories. In my index folder, I'm going to go ahead and zip this file. All you have to do is right-click, go down to Zip, and we are going to File.zip, continue, and now that new file is zipped. To unzip a file, go ahead and right-click on the file again, go down to Unzip File, and now we have to place that zip file in a destination. I already have a directory called New, so let's go ahead and put it there. Click Continue. And now once we go into the new directory, and now our file is unzipped in this directory. And if you want to move this file, all you have to do is right-click again, and you're able to move it, change the permissions, delete, or copy. And that's all it takes to unzip and zip a file in File Manager in your WCP control panel.